Hello, my dear friends. In this class, we are going to lay a chapter whose name is Chotu's House. That is the fifth chapter of the third class, Chotu's House. Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. That is, Chotu എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു പയ്യൻ മുംബൈയിലേക്ക് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് വരികയാണ്. He does not have house. So what is he doing? That is, when the rain comes, he has no place to hide himself. So he find a place to live. That is, a pipe will be seen in the roadside. What is a pipe used for? It is used to carry the sewages or the water pipelines. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു പൈപ്പാണ് അവൻ കാണുക റോഡ് സൈഡിൽ വെള്ളം ചെയ്യാനുള്ള പൈപ്പ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സീവേജ് വേസ്റ്റ് കളയാനുള്ള പൈപ്പ് കാണും. അവൻ അതിനെ അവൻ്റെ വീടാക്കി രൂപപ്പെടുത്തും. That is, he used it for cooking, bathing, sleeping, etc. And in front of it, we can see a tank. He filled that tank with water, and outside it is used for the cooking purposes. When he went for other duties, he saw a same boy. He saw a boy whose name is Monu. He also came to Mumbai for the first time and he is searching for a house. They both became friends. That is, Sonu and Chotu became friends and he gave some space for him to live. Chotu മോനുവിന് കുറച്ച് സ്ഥലം കൊടുക്കും. അവൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ താമസിക്കാനുള്ള കുറച്ച് സ്ഥലം കൊടുക്കും. A front area will be covered by a sheet. He used it as a sitting area. Front area, sitting area ആയിട്ട് ചോട്ടു ഉപയോഗിക്കും. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? So these are the following questions. From the figure, we have to answer these questions. ഈ ഫിഗറിന് നമുക്ക് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യണം. അതായത് ചോട്ടു എന്താ ചിന്തിക്കുക, ഈ പൈപ്പ് കാണുമ്പോൾ ചോട്ടു എന്താ ചിന്തിക്കുക? അതായത് ആസ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഹാവിങ് എ ഹൗസ് ടു ലീവ്, he think that this pipe can be used as a house, isn't it? How did Chotu use the pipe? ചോട്ടു എങ്ങനെയാ പൈപ്പ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക? That is, it is having a space to sleep. So he used it as a room. Into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? That is, the front portion it is used as a he used it is for storing water using a tank, then for cooking purposes, and the side of it is used as the place to sit. In which part of the house will Chotu like to spend most of the time? He liked to spend the most of the time sitting on the side area. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Because he knew that is ചോട്ടുവിന് അറിയാം മോനുവിന് താമസിക്കാൻ സ്ഥലമില്ല. അപ്പൊ അവൻ മോനുവിന് താമസിക്കാൻ അവന്റെ ആ പൈപ്പിലെ ഒരു ചെറിയ ഏരിയ കൊടുക്കും. Draw a picture of the house in your notebook and color it. അതായത് നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്, the next duty it is used to is for you students. That is, you have to draw your house in your notebook. നിങ്ങളുടെ പുസ്തകത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ വീടിന്റെ പിക്ചർ വരയ്ക്കുക. Who all live within your house and who are the members who is living in? നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ ആരൊക്കെയാണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത്? And you have to fill in this blank. അതായത് ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫാമിലി മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ആരൊക്കെയാ താമസിക്കുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത് ഫിൽ ചെയ്യുക. Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. Write the names of different parts of the house. We know that the pipe it is being divided into different sections. That is for sleeping and for sitting, then for cooking. He is divided that small pipe. It is being divided into many portions. How much time in a day do you spend in each part of your house? That is, if you are thinking about your house, നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ വീടിനെ കുറിച്ച് ചിന്തിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഓരോ റൂമിലും നിങ്ങൾ എത്ര സമയമാണ് സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യണത്? Is there any part of the house where a particular member of the family spends more time? അതായത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഭാഗമുണ്ടോ കൂടുതൽ സമയം നമ്മൾ സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യണത്? Is there any part of your house where a particular family never goes or goes for a short time? അതായത് നമ്മളുടെ വീടിന്റെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഭാഗത്തേക്ക് നമ്മളുടെ വീട്ടിലുള്ള മെമ്പേഴ്സ്, ഫാമിലി മെമ്പേഴ്സ് പോവാതിരിക്കുകയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെറിയ സമയത്തേക്ക് മാത്രം പോവുകയും ചെയ്യണ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു റൂം ഉണ്ടോ? You must have seen some animals also live at this end. We know that we are having pets in our houses, so there will be a special rooms or a special place for them to live because we want them while some are there uninvited. Uninvited means the birds will be coming, no, to eat the food which we are throwing out. Home sweet home. It is you always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? That is, the boy is asking, telling the mother, that is, the house is belong to me only, but how it is belonging to many others, like that is the crawling ones, that is the lizard. It slowly crawls to and fro and look at many black ants. That is, ant will be in our house, no? The lizard, പല്ലികള് ഉറുമ്പുകള് all marching in how they are walking, they are marching in a row. നീണ്ട വരിയായിട്ടാണ് അവര് നടക്കുക. That is why I say, dear mother, don't think the house is only ours. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് ഈ വീട് നമ്മുടെ മാത്രമല്ല. It's dears to us and all who live here. അത് എല്ലാവരുടെയുമാണ്. അതായത് ഇവിടെ താമസിക്കുന്ന ഓരോ മനുഷ്യന്മാരുടേതുമാണ്, ഓരോ ജന്തുക്കളുടെയുമാണ് ഇത് വീട്. And have been living for many years. They also have been living here for many years. Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch together, and look how these mosquitoes fly. That is, we can see the rats, mosquitoes being flying here and there, then the lizards. And look outside into the courtyard. The birds are all picking about, just like when my sister and I, that is, they are quarreling each other, as I and my sister being quarreled. ഞാനും എൻ്റെ അനിയത്തിയും കോറൽ ചെയ്യണ പോലെയാണ് ഈ ബേർഡ്സും കോറൽ ചെയ്യണത്, വഴക്ക് കൂടുന്നത്. Sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. They are also shouting. Draw a picture of two animals that live in our house uninvited. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ക്ഷണിക്കപ്പെടാത്ത ചില ജീവികൾ ഉണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിൽ, അതിൻ്റെ പേരുകൾ ഈ കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതി ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യാം. ഡു യു കീപ് യുവർ ഹൗസ് ക്ലീൻ? ഹൗ? നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ വീട് പരിസരവും വൃത്തിയായി സൂക്ഷിക്കുന്നത്? You will be knowing some methods. Yes, children? So write down the methods you are keeping. That is, we will be throwing. നമ്മൾ വേസ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ ഇടാം, ഒരു വേസ്റ്റ് ബിന്ന് വെക്കുക. Then clean the house daily. So it looks clean. Who all help to clean your house clean? We all know our mother will help us to keep the house clean, isn't it? Where do you go to refreshen up in the morning? That is, to freshen up. Where will we go? That is, to a bathroom. We are going to freshen up. Where do you throw the garbage of the house? The garbage will be thrown outside. That is, on the backyard of our house. Is the area around your house clean? Yes, most probably. That is, നമ്മുടെ വീടിന്റെ പരിസരവും എപ്പോഴും ക്ലീൻ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും. Do you use a toilet in and around the house? That is, in some houses the toilet will be inside, or some it may be the outside the house. Who cleans it? ആരാ ഇതൊക്കെ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യണത്? It will be our mother. How do you help it keeping clean? We'll throw the waste paper, waste things in the dustbin, thus reducing the work of our mother. Use of toilet. Simi noticed that her friend Bilu was getting uncomfortable. He was not talking to her. Then Simi asked, Bilu, what happened? You look so dull. That is, Simi is asking her friend, why are you looking so dull and sad? What happened? I don't know how to use the toilet properly. Would be her round, and again she would scold me as usual, not using the toilet properly. Why don't you use the toilet properly then? I'm scared that I would fall into the toilet pit. That is, he is not able to know how to use the toilet properly. So Simi advised him how to use it and flush it after using the toilet. Leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself. Describe the toilet area in your school. That is, here are some questions being given which you have to answer. Is it clean? Is the toilet in your school clean? Yes. Who cleans it around? That is, the maid will be coming to clean the toilet. How do you help in it? How you help in it? By using the waste things, that is the papers and something which is thrown into the dustbin. From now, will you use the toilet responsibility? He left it clean after its use and washed the hands. you have to wash the hands after going to the toilet. Okay. Do you leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself? Yes, we will all keep the toilet clean. എപ്പോഴും നമ്മുടെ ടോയ്ലറ്റ് ഒക്കെ ക്ലീൻ ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ വെക്കുക. ടോയ്ലറ്റിന് പോയ ശേഷം wash the hands with our soap. Enlist the times when you wash hands. That is when all times. ഏതൊക്കെ സമയത്താണ് നമ്മൾ ഹാൻഡ്സ് വാഷ് ചെയ്യാറ്? When do you think your hands get dirty? When we are playing, isn't it? When we are playing, our hands will get dirty. So before going having food, we have to wash it thoroughly with soap and water. When all do you need to keep yourself clean? Bathing and brushing teeth, clipping the nails regularly. What will happen if we do not do the above? If we are not cleaning our hands means we will easily get diseases. Okay. Look how beautifully Lada's house is decorated. അതായത് ലതയുടെ വീട് എത്ര മനോഹരമായിട്ടാണ് ഡെക്കറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, അലങ്കരിച്ചു വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. Is there any special way in which you decorate your house? That is, some people will be drawing rangoli in front of their house. That is that it for tradition will be varying for different cultures. Okay. Ask your friends when and how they decorate their house. You should ask because the friends may be coming from different communities. So you ask the friends and list it out. This is all about this chapter. And if you are liking, please do subscribe my channel.